Gathered here today are biology students from Laguna State Polytechnic University from Block Bio 1A, and my name is Katherine A. Torrizo.
I am Karla Nicole Malbataan.
My name is Louise Peñaflor. The local species diversity is present in our community, but it often goes unnoticed unless you have the knowledge to identify the different plants.
Many people may walk right past remarkable flora and fauna without even realizing the rich variety that surrounds them.
In this vlog, we'll take a closer look on some of the commonly overlooked plants that are found and thriving in our community. Gumamela, or scientifically known as Hibiscus rosa sinensis, is from the family of Malvaceae and native in Eastern Asia. It is a small tree or evergreen shrub that can grow around 2.5 to 5 meters or around 8 to 16 feet tall. It can vary different colors such as red, pink, yellow, orange, white, and a combination of those. It is a definition of a perfect flower having both male and female reproductive parts.
Did you know that Gumamela's species name Rosa sinensis means rose of China because of the thought of the early botanist perceived this as rose-like plant, and it is also popularly cultivated in China. It also has spiritual meaning that these flowers represent divine love, beauty, and purity. While for its medicinal uses, it can use to cure cough, cold, fever, aids to skin inflammatory and irritation due to its antioxidant, antibacterial, and healing properties.
Santan, scientifically known as Ixora coccinea, is a flowering shrub that belongs to Rubiaceae family. A popular ornamental shrub in the Philippines, is known for its vibrant, tubular, and red flower that bloom in dense cluster throughout the year. The santan plant is a vibrant flowering shrub that thrives in tropical and subtropical climates. These flowers grow in cluster and attract pollinators like butterflies and bees. It can survive in variety of soil types, making it a low-maintenance favorite for gardeners.
Chichirica or periwinkle is scientifically known as Catharanthus roseus. It's from the family Apocynaceae and it's native in Madagascar. The chichirica shrub usually reaches height up to 30 to 50 centimeters and has a woody stem that gives it its robust structure. The leaves are oblong and are measured up to 4 to 7 centimeters with a pointed tip and a rounded base. The Queensland Poison Information Center cautions that all parts of Catharanthus roseus are toxic, although small ingestions typically do not lead to severe symptoms. In contrast to that information, many people in our country hold a different belief, using a decoction made from the young leaves as a remedy for diabetes and stomach cramps, believing that it contains antibacterial properties. Although this claim is based on traditional use and has not yet been scientifically validated.
The part of the plant that has a juice is what we call the berry or the fruit of the plant. The juice contains rivianine or rivinianine pigment that belongs to the class of betalanine that is relative to the pigments found in beets.
The juice of its berry is not safe to consume and is primarily used externally as dye or ink. However, the leaves of this plant can be made as tea and use this to wash wounds to speed up healing process and prevent you from getting any infections.
This plant is called jasmine, scientific known as Jasminum. It includes the family of Oleaceae. Jasmine is a climbing shrub that can grow up to 8 meters tall. Their leaves are made of smaller leaflets and oval shape. The flowers are white and strongly scented, and their root is fibrous root system.
Jasmine is known for its sweet scent, which becomes especially intense at night. In many cultures, jasmine symbolizes love, beauty, and purity. Some species of jasmine are also used in traditional medicine for their calming and stress-relieving properties.
Mangifera indica, or commonly known as manga, is native in Southeast Asia. This species is characterized as a large evergreen, which means that it retains its green leaves throughout the entire year. Mangifera indica can grow up to 15 to 30 meters tall. They are fast-growing erect trees with slender to broad and rounded upright canopy. They can be used for landscape and shade. The leaves of this tree are alternate, simple, and leathery in texture. Young leaves exhibit a striking red hue, maturing to a glossy dark green on the upper surface, while the underside remains lighter, accentuated by distinct yellow or white venation. Here's a fun fact about our tree is that not only are its fruits edible, but its leaves as well. The twigs and leaves of these trees are commonly used as a natural oral remedy. These are used to clean teeth and are said to be beneficial to the gums, while the bark is useful for toothaches.
Every plant has a story, from tiniest bud to towering trees. Each has a role in our environment. The surroundings that we pass by every day often blend to the background of our busy lives. Yet, they hold so much beauty and meaning.
When we learn how to truly appreciate this often overlooked part of our surrounding and deepening our understanding, we gain insight into the delicate balance of our ecosystem.
So let's make a conscious effort to not take these wonders of nature for granted. Instead, let's perform our roles as caretakers to cherish and to protect them. So the next time you take a walk, you might just want to stop and smell the roses.
Thank you for tuning with us on this exploration.
Remember to always look around and embrace the wonders of nature.
Together, we can learn how to nurture and conserve our local biodiversity. Until next time, stay green
And serene.